Ethan. And Slowpoke Dad. It's been raining, so we didn't come here for the noon feeding. But we wanted to do something still.
F-A-R, yeah. F-A-R.
That's fun. Probably won't see much. Look, they got a little Batman bird nest thing. Like, there's a hawk. So all these animals can't be released to the wild. So for some reason or another. Come on.
I see it.
Oh, there's one under there too.
Michael, come on.
The beaver was out and then it went back in.
I missed it.
Me and Michael saw it. But the beaver is nocturnal. So if you come at nighttime, you can see it. So. You missed the bobcat too? Well, I don't. Come on. It's gonna record better. It's definitely, this is the exciting part at noon is when they feed the bobcat.
Hey,
Remember that bobcat was raised in a home, so it would be too friendly to people.
hey, you gonna be wet. No, I didn't. Hey.
Yeah. Hello.
Looks like we didn't find our lifetime.
They talk about the squirrels running up the fence line and teasing the bobcat. And one of the squirrels ended up with a missing tail or something.
Oh.
This is Melenza. So in the Bible, she's the first one trying to welcome a new neighbor.
There it came out again. Look at him chewing that. His dinner. Look at that.
So we've had so much rain. This is the most water I've seen go over this waterfall ever. It's like rapids. It's crazy. Usually it's quiet and just straight down. No noise like this. We're here at Keeper of the Plains Monument. Walked here from the Kansas Wildlife Park.
Hope it doesn't rain.
Hopefully, it shouldn't.
Come on, can I hurry up?
You can see the trees water's reaching the trees and stuff. Not as high as it usually is. Oh, hi, birdie. There they go. Her mom wanted to go down to those stairs. Steps, bench seating.
Say hi, kids. Hi. Here's Riley walking on the steps. A different view. It's a good place to watch fires, but it's too early for fires.
Mom, when are we gonna go back to the walk back to the wildlife place?
Soon.
Yay!
Last year, when we came on Memorial Day with my parents to see the fire lighting ceremony, we sat the spot where it's where there's water, and the water line was down there. It's crazy. We're back here one more time. Doing something with with the log.
Let's leave. I don't feel scared anymore.
Good.
I'm about to leave also. By the way.
What's he doing?
Don't see it over. I see it. I see it. Ah, it has really orange teeth.
Maybe he's sharpening its teeth or something.
Its teeth are really orange.
I want to see.
So I just took a picture. There were 3 little birds on there. Now there's just 2. I just finished working for the day a little bit ago.
Taking them to Botanical. They got stained art for this summer. This is the tree of life. It's not a real tree. Oh yeah, Michael's singing. Jared's singing the tree of life song.
Mom, come on.
Is that the tree?
It's another butterfly. Is that cool?
Look, Buttercup.
This is the red butterfly.
I'm pretending to make a vlog. I'm gonna make a vlog.
Come on, Ethan.
This is beautiful. We're on our way to the trolls. It's Mookat's first time. Right, Mookat? Yep, it's my first time. Woohoo! She is stuffy, but I think she's real. Hi, Michael. What are you eating?
Nothing.
Hey, Michael.
Nothing.
Look, they look different on this side. That's cool. You're running on the troll.
And then go down. Yes.
I can what?
I'm gonna go all the way upstairs.
Let's see.
Let's go.
Dad, look at it. Wait, what do I do? This?
Okay, Jingle. This time, you go first.
Ethan, oh, Jared almost didn't even come.
Quickly. Quick, Jared. Like this? Michael, like this?
Go, 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 go. Wait.
Woohoo.
Go down. I want to do that thing again.
That was fun! Ow.
Yeah.
I want to do
It
this.
That was fun! This is what it's like being on a zebra. Very high up. That's how high it is on the zebra. That's how it will be on there, except it will be moving up and down. And this is the place.
Look at what I made, Mom.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah, shit. That's right, shit.
Looks like this.
For my name, I'm having story time and fire color.
Flying ants. So cool.
And she also just that. It landed.
Hey, Ivy.
What?
Would you rather roses
It's a
or
victor.
daisies? Hey, Ivy. Would you rather
The
roses
victor
or
was just
daisies?
there's a victor right there.
Hey, Ivy.
You may not see it.
Are you ready?
Look at that fountain. Girl, we don't want to call this voila. Just right there. Here's Michael. Hi, Michael, Ethan.
I wasn't recording. Another, what I was just saying is another perk of having these chairs is you just sit out here when it's raining, stay dry and enjoy the rain when it's not like a windy storm. You can hear the rain falling.